Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a ground issue in your vehicle? So ground always start at the negative battery terminal, and there's going to be a cable that connects to it, and it's going to go straight to the frame of the vehicle. Since it goes straight to the frame of the vehicle, you can't say that any metal components on the vehicle is going to be ground. For example, the frame is going to be ground, the chassis is going to be ground, the engine is going to be ground, the transmission is going to be ground, the door jamb is going to be ground, the metal in the trunk is going to be ground. Ground is going to be everywhere that has a metal surface. The most common problem that's going to cause ground issue is going to be rust, corrosion, or some sort of loose wires on the ground side. So when you have a ground issue, it's going to cause all sorts of electrical problems. You're going to notice the alternator is not charging. You're going to notice that the tachometer light is going to start to flicker. You may notice you're going to have a lot of unexplained engine codes. The AC compressor may stop working. You may also notice engine performance issue caused by engine sensor that have bad ground. You may also notice the transmission shifting radically, again caused by bad ground. So basically you want to check ground. That's everywhere. You want to check the engine strap. You want to check the rust on the transmission. Basically you just want to check everywhere. Also, you may notice clicking noise or buzzing noise coming from the fuel box area. Usually that's going to be caused by the relay. So let's just say you got bad ground, the relay is not going to function properly, again causing that buzzing noise or some sort of odd rapid clicking noise. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.